guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Galit and I'm the founder of Girlactik, and in today's video I just wanted to share with you some quick beauty tips of how you can take things that are already in your drawer and use them in other ways. So I already have my makeup done, but I'm going to just add a little touch-ups here and there with some new beauty tips for you. Sit back, get a glass of wine, and here we go. Okay, so how do we make your blush stay on longer and get that extra glow? You want to put a primer underneath, but you just don't want to use a plain face primer. You want to use a liquid luminizer, but a liquid luminizer that has a pearly undertone, or you can use a cream highlight. And by using something like this, it'll make your blush stay on longer and also give that added glow. So first what I'm gonna do is take my new Skin Glow Duo, and I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and apply it on my cheekbones, just like that. I'm actually gonna cheat and mix two colors. We're gonna apply it on both sides. And then I'm gonna take my favorite blush, the Madrid blush, just going to apply the brush into the blush, tap the excess, and then I like to actually swirl it into the mirror, and then just apply it lightly on my cheekbones, just like that. And by doing this, your blush is gonna stay on much longer and there's an added glow. Red carpet beauty. So my cheeks are done, but I'm not feeling my eyes. I do have black eyeliner, but I think I want to go for more of a copper liner. But I don't have a copper eyeliner, so what are we gonna do? This is where my beauty tip comes in. You're gonna take a black eyeliner and you're gonna just apply it on your eyes as a base. Woo! That's black. So what you're gonna need is a tapered angle liner brush. Some of you guys may already have a brush like this that you use for eyebrow filling or for eyeliner. And then you're gonna take your eyeshadow. This is the shade Penny. Take the brush into the shadow, tap it, go on top of that black eyeliner. And by doing that, the color is going to adhere to the black and also give a background to the copper. So it frames your eye and gives a nice punch of color. So if you need to convert your black eyeliner into another color, just take your eyeshadows that are in your drawer and apply it over a black eyeliner, and voila! You've got a different color eyeliner. My opinion, it's best to use shades that have a metallic pearly finish, so the color just really pops and frames your eyes beautifully. My lips are already done with the matte lip paint in Sweet, but today I'm feeling like I want that glossy pout and a little sexier, fuller lip. So what you're gonna do, you're just going to take your lip gloss, which this is my new Lip Pearls in Lustrous. It's a clear with kind of like an iridescent sparkle. And you're gonna go on the top part of your lip in the Cupid's bow, just like that, and go a little bit above your natural lip, and you will see that your lip just looks a little bit sexier and pouty. Now, if you want to keep it like this, you can just blot it a little bit so it goes from the top to the bottom, or you can apply it on top, creating a liquid lipstick lacquer, but make sure your top lip goes a little bit above. Sometimes I like to turn the applicator to the point so it's more precise. And my upper lip, if you guys can see, just looks a little bit fuller. So this is tip number 4. It's not actually a tip, it's just something to make your life a little bit easier if you're out on the run and your makeup has just moved a little bit. I created this product called the Invisible Liner Eraser, and it is absolutely amazing. I'm sure this happens to you if you get smudginess of your eyeliner bleeding, your mascara running a little bit, or you need to fix that cat wing liner. This is where this product comes into play. All you're gonna do is take the invisible liner and you're going to apply it wherever you want to clean the smudginess, just like that. Then take a Q-tip and basically just wipe away. So this invisible liner basically helps remove anything you don't want, just like that. No pulling, no tugging, it just erases it. So myself, I love clean looking eyes, and now I've got it. So that concludes my beauty tips for you guys. I hope you guys gained some new knowledge and enjoyed watching me. Until next time, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment. Bye.
Here at the Girlactik headquarters, and we're about to film the CEO of Girlactik.
Step. We're gonna go to step, no. We're gonna go to tip number 3. Thanks for watching, Instagram. Should I say Instagram again or no? Was that cute? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.